Hi, my name is Aaron Bowman. I want to welcome you to the second video in the tutorial series for Liberty Dollar Financial Association. Now, before we get into today's video, if you haven't already, make sure you use the links down below if you need to get yourself set up with an account over at Liberty Dollar Financial Association, and then you can follow along with these tutorials. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the TD accounts or terms deposit accounts, which is a savings account here at Liberty Dollar Financial Association. Now, with this, it's a great way to save your money and get a good return on it. And there's a couple different options for you. So let's jump onto the computer and take a look at what your back end looks like and how you can access this tab.
Okay, so here we are on my laptop now. Now, just as a reminder, you can log in from any wireless device, whether it's your cell phone through the app or your tablet through the web browser or app on that. Now, when you first log in, you're going to be on your main account tab, and we've already done a video that goes over these. So if you haven't seen that, there will be a link for it in the description. And if you want to get rid of this update shipping address, just click over to the right and it's going to go away. Now, today we're going to be talking about terms deposit accounts. So I'm only going to spend a little bit of time on this page. And the important part here is that you can join the Liberty Network, which is a social media platform that's a little bit more open and less censorship, I guess is the best way to put it, if you wanted to use a Facebook type platform. Now, that being said, underneath that, you have your referral link, and this is going to be really good if you want to share Liberty Dollar with friends, family, maybe a coworker or something like that, instead of using some of the other ways to send friends and family and coworkers money after going out for lunch or what have you. This is a way to do it through Liberty Dollar, and I'll show you how to do that in future videos. But the best part is you also get a referral fee for bringing this person in every time they use their account. There's a small transaction fee. You get a part of that, and we're going to go into that in a little bit of a deeper dive in a future video. So let's get over to terms deposits. And this will be your savings account. So we're actually going to put some money in one of these savings accounts just so you can see the process through my own account here. And if you look, you have simple savings, enhanced savings 2, and peer-to-peer loan funding. And then we'll get down to the bottom. So I'm just going to do a simple savings. And here you can read that the account earns 0.75% each month on a fixed term deposit of 6 months. So the money has to be in there for 6 months. And if I withdraw it within that 6 months, there will be a penalty of 4% of the account balance applies to early termination of that account. So you really only want to put money in here if you want to leave it for 6 months, 12 months, 24 months. And think of these of like your traditional CD at your local bank. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit manage, and it's going to bring you over here, and you're going to choose your terms, and it's already chosen for us, 6 months. And we're going to put in our amount. So let's do $25. And that's going to tell you, let's do at least an ounce of silver. So let's do $30. Actually, I should probably check. So $25.27. I probably should have looked at the amount of silver before I was doing this. So we're just going to call it 26 to make it even. And it's going to tell you again that it's 6 months. And the risk factor, maximum cap, if any. And again, it's going to show you if you already have one in here, what that current balance is. So maybe you add money to it every month as a savings account would. You put it in here and it has to sit for 6 months. But this is what we're going to do. So let's hit deposit. And you have successfully deposited 1.02 ounces in this TD account. So you can see it right there. And it's going to be in there for 6 months. And then when you're ready to withdraw, once you hit your 6 months, you'll have it here. And then you'll be able to see the money flow history here. And again, it goes into about the simple savings. And this is going to be the same for any of these accounts, depending on which one you pick, whether it's the enhanced saving, which is 12 months, which earns 1% each month at a fixed term deposit of 12 months. There's a 6% penalty for that, or the enhanced saving 2 earns 1.25% each month. That's also at a fixed term for 24 months, and there's still a 6% of the account balance applies for early termination. So just keep that in mind. This is money you want to kind of set it there and forget about it, so to speak. Now, you can also do that for the peer-to-peer, and make sure you contact the admin at Liberty Dollar Financial Association with name, amount of purpose of loan when you apply. And we're going to go into that right here. So let's say I wanted to buy a car and I needed an extra $5,000 to buy the car, and I want that in silver. So I put in my 5,000. So that would be just under 200 ounces of silver. It's going to have my name in there, my address, my phone number, purpose of the loan, new car, and when would be the best time to call. And it tells you right here, I'm free Monday, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. or Tuesday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. and Friday after 3 p.m. Then I would hit submit. And I also want to just send a email to the admin at Liberty Dollar Financial Association with my name and information like that, just to make sure it goes through and that they see it. And I would put it in bold in the subject matter, just to make sure it doesn't get overlooked, because we have a lot of people. We're actually in the process right now of upgrading our servers because the amount of influx of people that have come on and started to use the Liberty Dollar Financial Association. So let's jump off the computer, because that really covers the terms, deposit accounts. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but let's jump off the computer.
All right, so as you can see, it is very easy to fund your account. There's multiple options for that. And under the new transaction tab, there is a bunch of options underneath there also. Now, if you have any questions about this video or any other ones, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Or if you need to reach out to me directly, go right ahead. All my contact information's in the description. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.